dahil ano ngayon, may araw po guys. Laag-laag muna. Germany. See? Maaliwalas ang langit, ang kalangitan. Mga kahoy walang dahon. Another day, another adventure day. We're going to Hercules Monument. Oh,
Snows Park Hercules.
yes. Maybe we gonna drive 1 hour to reach there.
Yeah, maybe we get lost.
Or maybe we're gonna lost. Baka ano kami sa may Spain or Italy. No. Kahapon grabing foggy dito. Yesterday we go this way, right? Yesterday, yes, when we go to the skywalk. Maybe today the skywalk is a little bit crowded.
Yeah, the weather is nice.
Yeah, because the weather is nice.
No fog. Yesterday
Yeah.
was foggy.
Yes. Kaya sa ano kami ngayon sa may Hercules daw.
In 200 Meter den Kreisverkehr.
I think your music I gonna be copyright on it. Copyright.
You want me to turn off?
Yes. Thank you. Ay, ang ganda. It's so beautiful day today. Can see everything. No foggy. Just only the sunshine.
Tomorrow it's supposed to snow, and then
Tomorrow
yeah,
is 31.
yeah.
Ganda dito guys. Oh, super beautiful. Solar panel, right?
Solar park.
Solar park. Kaya
Yeah.
yung solar park nila. Mainit pero malamig. Sunny day but it's so cold. Better I take the one, the stand.
It's not gonna stick.
You put what is the Scotch tape on it so that it won't. I think gonna stick on it. Put a Scotch tape so that it won't movie. It won't drop. Sarap mamasyal pag may sasakyan. Lucky that my honey have a car. If you don't have car, then we're gonna stay home.
Yeah, stay home. now.
Stay home, oh.
Then we go walking.
Just walking.
Or bicycle.
Bicycle.
And then we freeze.
I cannot drive like that. Or else everything my knee is got scratch. Bridge.
It's a railroad bridge.
Huh?
Railroad bridge.
Railroad. Oh, so nice.
Passenger trains bridge.
Ah. They have many houses. Mini houses.
It took them a long time to build.
Castle of Hercules.
Statue.
Huh? Statue. See, left and right my video. Because my honey gave me a lot of phone. That is rail truck. Rail, yeah, train truck.
Yeah, for passenger trains.
Okay. Passengers train daw yan na tulay. Tulay na mahaba. Is that a city also? Is a city also there?
Right.
Where we
Up here?
going? Yeah, where we going?
Castle.
Yes,
That's a big city.
it's a big city. This is here.
Jetzt rechts halten.
That's Castle.
Where's the castle? Where's the castle?
Those Castle over there, I think.
Oh.
Part of it.
Medyo traffic guys, mag-slow down kami. Kasi dito guys, pag nag-overspeed ka, mapipicturan ka nila. Napicturan one time si honey ko. Okay, so